Hello.
Hello.
How you doing, Diva? Whoa. How you doing?
I'm alright.
Yeah. Let's talk to you, man. I'm from On The Track. I'm Kay, and your fans just want to meet you up close and personal.
Hi, everyone. What's up?
So I can see you good. So
Not really.
why is that?
Because I'm tired. Just came back from the studio. Right now, I want to go and sleep.
Oh, sleep. Why is
That's why I'm
that?
wearing glasses because I haven't had any sleep today. I've been, in the studio working, trying to get this song, but I'm not getting, it's just not coming right. So I don't know. It's not coming out right. I need help.
Looks like we're gonna have a problem here.
Yeah.
You just heard it.
I need to go. I don't think if I'm ready for interview.
No, hold up. You see, you just can't go like that. Your fans wants to meet you up close and personal. You can't afford to let them down. That's why I'm here today. I understand it happens. You can't find the particular key for a particular song, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it
actually
happens.
the word, the lines.
The lines.
It's not coming together.
Oh, it happens. We understand, but the truth of the matter is your fans still want to meet you up close and personal. You can't afford to let them down. So let's see if I'm gonna help her to survive the mood she is right now. You just heard what she said, that she's not feeling too well because she just got back from the studio trying to lay some tracks down. But I'll see if I can survive her with the mood she is right now, get her back on the track. Stay put, walk with me. Still at the Dolphin Estate and still on the track. I was hoping probably she might want to go for a walk so we can talk this over, but she decided to just chill because she's going to have it our way. It's a show now. So can we meet you?
Hi, like you said, my name is Amina, as they call me, and I'm an artist, I'm a songwriter, a singer, I'm a performer generally, and that's it.
So what's up? Tell us about your musical history and where you from, really.
I'm actually from Jos, they call it J-Town. So I moved into Lagos a couple of years ago to pursue my musical career.
Tell us what kind of non-visual impact does your hometown have on you?
A lot of people are mistaken. Hey, a lot of people, Jos people are not local people. They're really, well-civilized, educated people. P-Square are from Jos. MI, a lot of people are from Jos, so I don't know what you mean by, coming. We're all from Jos, basically, and Jos is a very civilized place. We've got a lot of talent, people are educated, it's just that, music is centered here in Lagos and a lot of opportunities, so that's why most times people move in here to sell out their talents and all that.
Now, like I said before, I'll make reference to your sounds. The northern thing doesn't really reflect in your music, neither does it reflect in your look, to be honest.
What do you mean? When you say northern thing, what exactly are you trying to say?
Because basically the kind of music you do, you said in your profile, contemporary music, basically you're from where it's not even the norm.
Well, Karigo is a street thing, so if I put it, in my music, people will be able to relate to it, easily. So that's it.
Now, apart from music, apart from singing, what's your biggest talent? Something you would love to do if you didn't discover music?
I'll be a dancer, and I'll also be a movie, right? Be into movie. I write, a lot of scripts. So, yeah, apart from music, I'll go into movies. I'm not going to act though. I don't know how to act. But at least I'll be, behind the camera and all that. So, do my stuff, yeah. I'll be like you.
You'll be like me?
Yeah.
So what is it I'm doing?
Presenting, just, something that has to do with entertainment.
How do you see yourself in the next 5-6 years?
I'll be rolling.
Big. How big?
Real big. Like I said, big time. I'll be rolling big time, man.
Time.
I swear it's good. I'll be chilling.
So tell us, who's your favorite act, upcoming favorite act right now?
In Niger?
Yeah.
Oh, upcoming. Let me see. Brackets. I love the songs. They're really hot. And it's basically, for now, I think Brackets.
So now, what should fans look up to the rest of 2009 and beyond?
You guys should look forward to a female. Oh my God, delicious, spectacular.
Hello viewers, welcome to On The Track with your very own K. And we're live at the K's place for the launching of a newly emerged entertainment outfit called Swagger 13. You won't believe this is just the genesis, because the whole arena is crawling with celebs and fans. And look who we have in the house tonight, the brainchild of Swagger 13. Congratulations, boss. It's a dual celebration. This is the birthday of the brainchild for Swagger 13. And today again, it's launching its new entertainment outfit called Swagger 13. Can we meet you, bros?
Hi everyone. My name is Temito Adewale of Swagger 13 Entertainment.
Yeah, so tell us, what's your management history and who are the artists on this management company?
Alright, first of all, I want to give credit to one management. Those are my colleagues, which is Achinedu Egedu.
Let's talk about your entertainment Swagger 13. Now tell us why, what's the one thing you most want everyone to know about you and the entertainment Swagger 13?
Well, me, I'm Temito Adewale, and I'm your humble child. You should give me the support I need to make this happen in the country, in Africa. Africa's got talents, and the best talents are from Nigeria. Let's help them grow.
Yeah, speaking of swagger, what does the swagger really say about a man?
It's a way of life. Swagger is a way of life.
That's just it, a way of life.
Keep it real.
So for those who don't even know how to live, who don't have to keep it real, how can you just help them with keep it real?
Look for me.
Wow, that's great. I like that. Thank God I found you, bro. Thank God, I really appreciate it. Like I told you before, you'll be graced with a lot of performances tonight with the likes of the Mr. Incredible MI. One of the guests we have in the house is actually the face of rap right now.
This is Jesse Jaggs, His Royal Highness and His Flyness.
Oh yeah, I feel you. Yeah, I can see it's getting swaggalicious, like they all say.
Icepress in the building too. Yeah. That's Icepress. Temito is one of those guys that, I can talk about many things about him, but he's one of those guys that's really put a new face on music, you know what I mean? He's brought Break and Lace, just to mention one of the international acts he's brought to Nigeria, you know what I mean? He's a great guy. We love working with him. Anytime he calls me, I know money's entering my account. So shout out to you, man. MI is proud to be here. Jesse
Jaggs. Yep. Yeah, the whole crew's here. Still on the track with your very own K. And we're in the VIP section. It's getting crazy up in here. A lot of bills, people, the blowing up the stacks, swagger thing, the swag got the money through. That's it. Here we are in the VIP section with your very own, the Ebute finest, Banky W. You already know the Superfly Big Boy in the house.
Yeah. We're feeling good, we're feeling great. We're here with celebrating, we're having a good time, you know how we do. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Banky W, EME representative, aka Mr. Capable. And right here, I'm at Timmy Tokwe's birthday, giving you a shout out. On the track, in the building, don't go nowhere, we're gonna be right back. Stay tuned.
Yes, one of the big producers we have in Nigeria right now. ID Kabasa. Yeah, what's going on, people? Yeah. So what's the Swagger team like?
Well, the originator, the